And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this small portable fan. You can see this is a pretty small portable fan, ultra compact, quiet with long battery life. They have a few different colors here. It has a 3000 milliamp hour battery and only weighs 137 grams. Built-in battery, metal crafted body. Wow, stepless speed control. So let's open this up, see what we're working with here. There we go. Slide this out. And so here's our fan. Wow, it's very small. Oh my God, it feels so cool to be in metal. Wow. Very nice. So tiny. The fan there, pulling the wind through, that blows it on you. USB-C port here on the bottom, little logo there and there. Very nice, wow. And then we've also got, it's just cardboard, a little included USB-C cable to charge it. And of course, looks like some pamphlets and instructions and all that fun stuff for you. So let me see, does this have any? It does. You can see your battery power there. Just push this as high as you want. Wow. Oh my, this is actually really strong. Like, this would be great. I am very blown away with how much wind is coming from this. I wish I had. You can also see your battery gauge there, which is nice. And you just control the speed based on this dial. Like the less you want, the lower you go. One max, right there. Wow. This would really keep you cool. Highly, highly recommend. So at the end of the day, that'll do it for this unboxing of this portable fan. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. I give it 2 massive thumbs up and think it would feel amazing on a hot day at a beach or pool or anywhere. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.